Hello, you guys! Today we're gonna prepare potato rolls with just 3 ingredients. I'm sure you're gonna love them. Let's start our recipe by cutting 3 potatoes in half, then dice them. Then put them in a pot, cover with water. Let them cook on maximum heat for 15 minutes. Put the boiled potatoes in a bowl and mash them. Take a moment to write in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can send you a special hug and thank you for following our recipes. We'd love to know. Now add 1½ cups of cheese, 3 eggs, and stir. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and comment below. I love rolls. In a pan, pour oil over the bottom. And when it's warm, add 3 parts of the mash at a time to make the pies. Now I only make potato rolls this way. A very easy recipe. Quick, perfect for breakfast. I'm sure you're gonna love it. When one side has turned golden, turn them over to fry the other side. Now just repeat the same process with the rest of the potato mash until all the potato rolls are ready. And our recipe is done, ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked our recipe. Now I'm gonna reply to your comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!